I came across this song and I kind of like it. It's a Negro song. I prefer to sing pop songs, but then when I was listening to this song, it was really wonderful and I'd like to try and sing it. And it's a Negro song, and I'm so proud to be one. You know, like wherever you go, you feel that loyalty, and you just want to cherish all the cultural things in your own place. And so I'd like to dedicate this song. I'm sorry for all the mistakes. I really apologize if I wasn't able to sing it well, but I just like it so much. So here's the song. It's entitled An Anusak. Namnamag sinad idi ay nan ko'y kuyog ta, kanak nunan kinaragsak ta, magay patenggana, pulos adak ni namnamnam, di pan sinaan taha, manlululuwanan matak, nanamnamaksik etaw atihi, nasay kanam, ay enggay, magayrik naham, an anusak, ikarigata, man biag ahay, magahakam, tanarigat, matkayman, nuwat sak di man laylayan. Narigat no mamingsan, di umas asa ka, karkaron no sisikan, san pobre ay kananda, wadda kalalasuyan, aag-im, di gayumam, numamingsan sang kinapobrem, di ang dail ilaan, at aw atihi, nasay kanam, ay enggay, magayrik naham, an anusak, ikarigatak, man biag ahay, maghahakang, tanarigat, matkayman, nuwat sak di man laylayan. Thank you, my dear friends. That's the only part that I could sing. Thank you so much.